A dreamer is not limited by practicality. When you dream big. You can fly in your dreams. Well, I think a doer does dream, but then they also do. So they just don't dream, oh, this would be nice, it would be nice to implement that, that sounds like a great idea. A doer will actually sit down and figure out how to implement that dream. At CARR Machine and Tool, we are all a team, we are all part of the team. It makes me feel like we are all involved in the growth of the company. So whatever we can learn at the IMTS is useful, even if it's just not something I would particularly use since I'm not a machinist. There's always something I could bring back. Me as a woman, I would like to this year see if there are more women in manufacturing and touch base with them, rub shoulders with that. I think that happens on a small scale as well as a larger scale, that this is an opportunity that might be missed by some women, and I'm involved in a committee which for women in manufacturing. We go to schools and show them that there's another option that you have to get into a field which they may have never thought of.
Take the ultimate walk between humanity and technology in perfect harmony, where dreamers and doers connect.